creeping over the Blue Mountain Peak. Misty air still cool upon my cheek. Hear the rooster crowing, a brand new day begun. Thanking Jah for blessing me beneath the rising sun. Barefoot on the red dirt, feeling the earth's strong pulse. Every step of prayer, no need for false impulse. Country roots, bush wisdom, deep within my soul, guiding every journey, making spirit soul. From the ancient river to the tallest tree, hear the ancestors whispering truth for you and me. Oh, bush wisdom, deep and true, showing us the right way, me and you. Grandpa always told me, son, listen to the wind. It carries tales of ages where new life begins. Watch the way the river flows, never fight the tide. Learn to bend and sway with nowhere left to hide. Every leaf a lesson, every stone a sign. Jah's own holy scripture, perfectly divine. Country roots, bush wisdom, deep within my soul, guiding every journey, making spirit soul. From the ancient river to the tallest tree, hear the ancestors whispering truth for you and me. Oh, bush wisdom, deep and true, showing us the right way, me and you. No need for big city lights or their glittering gold. The richest treasures hidden in stories to be told. A simple life, a righteous heart, a spirit free from fear. That's the kind of wealth that truly lasts for years. In every little heartbeat, a rhythm strong and deep, promises the harvest if the seeds you sow you keep. Country roots, bush wisdom, deep within my soul, guiding every journey, making spirit soul. From the ancient river to the tallest tree, hear the ancestors whispering truth for you and me. Oh, bush wisdom, deep and true, showing us the right way, me and you. Another day done begun. Give thanks for the breath I breathe. No time for me to grieve. Jah give me strength to carry on. From dusk until the early dawn. Earth give reasoning, spirit keep on gleaning. From the soil, from the tree, pure life for you and me. Earth give reasoning, every day a new beginning. Babylon them a fight, but we not lose the light. Chant down the evil ways through all of these dark days. just call upon his name. The power within you rise. Look up to the clear blue skies. Earth gives reasoning, spirit keep on gleaning from the soil, from the tree. Pure life for you and me. Earth gives reasoning, every day a new beginning. Na na na, na 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 na, na na na, na na na. Early morning, steam rise, breeze a chant on the hillside. Ancient secret in my palm, earth a speak, me heart gone. Me say herb in a me hand, revelation on my chest. Smoke curl up from scripture in the air. Babylon built tower, Jaman build altar. Sit on the rock, wipe on little silent tear. What the youth them lost so. Me reason with the roots, with the soil, with the dust. Every draw question, every breath of sound. Mind get sharp and spirit get just. Earth, earth, herb revelation. Open up the eye, clear the vision. Deep prayer, deep meditation. From the ground up, higher elevation. Earth, herb revelation. Heal up the heart, heal the nation. Deep prayer, deep meditation. From the ground up, higher elevation. Me burn one for the elders where them chain in a cane field. Them blood still a talk from the root to the rain. Me chant one for the ghetto picnic hunt in a meal. System cool but the fire still remain. Me say stand firm youth, now sell out your soul. Riches can't pay for the weight of your name. Herb tell me playing in a silent patrol. Remember where you're from now, both for fame. Giant, holy, gone for slowly. Talk to the most high, deep in your lonely. Jah guide me step them, steady my pace. Give me courage for talk truth in a them face. Me inhale down, exile fear. Breath turn prayer, Jah presence they here. Earth, revelation. Open up the eye, clear the vision. Deep prayer, deep meditation. From the ground up, higher elevation. Earth, revelation. Heal up the heart, heal the nation. Deep prayer, deep meditation. From the ground up, higher elevation. Higher elevation. Na 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 na. Higher elevation. Jahveri, same vibration. Rise up, earth strong, overstand. Reason in time, little more faith, bigger plan. From the eye open, me hail the sun, give thanks, me say, before me touch the phone. Ancestor voice echo in a me dome. Stand firm, youth, remember where you come from. Only stress, but me still calm. Storm in a me chest, but Jah keep the palm. Them while we blind, but me sight stay sharp. Third eye blaze like a lantern in a dark. Earth strong reasoning, sit and build, make we talk with the king. Deep prayer, deep thinking, heart clean, watch the blessing them spring. Earth strong reasoning, each breath of psalm, every step we a sing. Earth strong reasoning, on them teeth, but them soul run dry. Drought on the speech, me prefer one book, one stool, one seat, and a elder a show me how to walk with peace. Them ask, boss, how you stay so brave? Me tell them me afraid, but me no stay a slave. Mine have be free before chain bust off. If you worship the fear, you will last from start. Talk low, but the truth sound tall. Babylon loud, but them can't drown Jacka. Every little youth is a lion in training. Careful where you're planting at them brains. Start training. Earth strong reasoning. Sit and build, make we talk with the king. Deep prayer, deep thinking. Heart clean, watch the blessing them spring. Earth strong reasoning. Each breath of psalm, every step me I sing. Earth strong reasoning. Each breath of psalm. Yeah, yeah. Listen. These are the testimony. See. Early morning, my barefoot on the side. Palm them dusty, but the spirit royal. Grandma said, picnic, bow your head, give thanks. Every little breeze, I want more song. See the river that a mirror for your mind. If it muddy, take time, realign. Sky write scripture in a cloud design. Who can read that? Them spiritually blind. Green earth testimony. Jah write him word in a leaf and tree. Bend your knee, reason with the breeze. Stand up strong, say the roots to we. Green earth testimony. From the same red dirt come you and me. Every heartbeat part of the litany. Walk good, walk true, walk free. Man build tower but them can't build soul. All them gold chains still can't buy roll. When the ground shake, I get still roll. Only pure heart get remote control. Enough man hype on the concrete fame. Forget say who must a human and here same. Dust to dust, remember where you come from. If you cut off the root where your life and stand on the green earth testimony. Jah write him word in a leaf and tree. Bend your knee, reason with the breeze. Stand up strong, say the roots to we. Yeah. Green earth testimony. From the same red dirt come you and me. Every heartbeat part of the litany. Walk good, walk true, walk free. Ocean near the hills when them sigh. Every tree stretch onto the sky. Them a pray to, nobody deny. Creation acquire, man dry your eye. From the market hill to the graveyard home. Jah dey long before we come. So when you stress and your chest feel tight, put your back on the trunk, get the ancient light. Yeah. Green earth testimony. Jah write him word in a leaf and tree. Bend your knee, reason with the breeze. Stand up strong, say the roots to we. Yeah. Green earth testimony. From the same red dirt come you mountain peak, misty air still cool upon my cheek. Hear the rooster crowing, a brand new day begun. Thanking Jah for blessing me beneath the rising sun. Barefoot on the red dirt, feeling the earth's strong pulse. Every step of prayer, no need for false impulse. Country roots, bush wisdom, deep within my soul, guiding every journey, making spirit soul. From the ancient river to the tallest tree, hear the ancestors whispering truth for you and me. Oh, bush wisdom, deep and true, showing us the right way, me and you. Grandpa always told me, son, listen to the wind. It carries tales of ages where new life begins. Watch the way the river flows, never fight the tide. Learn to bend and sway with nowhere left to hide. Every leaf a lesson, every stone a sign. Jah's own holy scripture, perfectly divine. Country roots, bush wisdom, deep within my soul, guiding every journey, making spirit soul. From the ancient river to the tallest tree, hear the ancestors whispering truth for you and me. Oh, bush wisdom, deep and true, showing us the right way, me and you. No need for big city lights or their glittering gold. The richest treasures hidden in stories to be told. A simple life, a righteous heart, a spirit free from fear. That's the kind of wealth that truly lasts for years. In every little heartbeat, a rhythm strong and deep, promises the harvest if the seeds you sow you keep. Country roots, bush wisdom, deep within my soul, guiding every journey, making spirit soul. From the ancient river to the tallest tree, hear the ancestors whispering truth for you and me. Oh, bush wisdom, deep and true, showing us the right way, me and you. In the morning sun, another day done begun. Give thanks for the breath I breathe, no time for me to grieve. Jah give me strength to carry on, from dusk until the early dawn. Earth give reasoning, spirit keep on gleaning, from the soil, from the tree, pure life for you and me. Earth give reasoning, every day a new beginning. Babylon them a fight, but we not lose the light. Chant down the evil ways through all of these dark days. One love, one heart, shame. Just call upon his name. The power within you rise. Look up to the clear blue skies. Earth give reasoning, spirit keep on gleaning. From the soil, from the tree, pure life for you and me. Earth give reasoning, every day a new beginning. Na na na, na 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 na, na na na, na na na. Early morning, steam rise, breeze a chant on the hillside. Ancient secret in my palm, earth a speak, me heart gone. Me say herb in a me hand, revelation on my chest. Smoke curl up from scripture in the air. Babylon built tower, Jaman build altar. Sit on the rock, wipe on liquor, silent care. What the youth them lost so. Me reason with the roots, with the soil, with the dust. Every draw question, every breath of sound. Mind get sharp and spirit get just. Earth, earth, herb revelation. Open up the eye, clear the vision. Deep prayer, deep meditation. From the ground up, higher elevation. Earth, herb revelation. Heal up the heart, heal the nation. Deep prayer, deep meditation. From the ground up, higher elevation. Me burn one for the elders where them chain in a cane field. Them blood still a talk from the root to the rain. Me chant one for the ghetto picnic hunt in a meal. System cool but the fire still remain. Me say stand firm youth, now sell out your soul. Riches can't pay for the weight of your name. Herb tell me playing in a silent patrol. Remember where you're from now, both for fame. Giant, hold it, comfort, slowly. Talk to the most high, deep in your lonely. Jah guide me step them, steady my pace. Give me courage for talk truth in a them face. Me inhale down, exile fear. Breath turn prayer, Jah presence they here. Earth of revelation, open up the eye, clear the vision. Deep prayer, deep meditation. From the ground up, higher elevation. Earth of revelation, heal up the heart, heal the nation. Deep prayer, deep meditation. From the ground up, higher elevation. Higher elevation. Na 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 na. Na na na. Higher elevation. Jahveri. Same vibration. Rise up, earth strong, overstand. Reason in time, little more faith, bigger plan. From the eye open, me hail the sun, give thanks, me say, before me touch the phone. Ancestor voice echo in a me dome. Stand firm, youth, remember where you come from. Only stress, but me still calm. Storm in a me chest, but Jah keep the palm. Them while we blind, but me sight stay sharp. Third eye blaze like a lantern in a dark. Earth strong reasoning, sit and build, make we talk with the king. Deep prayer, deep thinking, heart clean, watch the blessing them spring. Earth strong reasoning, each breath of psalm, every step me I sing. Earth strong reasoning, each breath of song. Enough man chase hype, gold pon them teeth, but them soul run dry. Drought pon the speech, me prefer one book, one stool, one seat, and a elder a show me how to walk with peace. Them ask, boss, how you stay so brave? Me tell them me afraid, but me no stay a slave. Mine have be free before chain bust off. If you worship the fear, you will last from start. Talk low, but the truth sound tall. Babylon loud, but them can't drown Jackal. Every little youth is a lion in training. Careful where you're planting at them brains. Start training. Earth strong reasoning. Sit and build, make we talk with the king. Deep prayer, deep thinking. Heart clean, watch the blessing them spring. Earth strong reasoning. Each breath of psalm, every step me I sing. Earth strong reasoning. Each breath of song. Yeah, yeah. Listen. These are the testimony. See. Early morning, my barefoot on the side. Palm them dusty, but the spirit dry out. Grandma said, picnic, bow your head, give thanks. Every little breeze, I want more song. See the river that a mirror for your mind. If it muddy, take time, realign. Sky write scripture in a cloud design. Who can read that? Them spiritually blind. Green earth testimony. Jah write him word in a leaf and tree. Bend your knee, reason with the breeze. Stand up strong, say the roots to we. Green earth testimony. From the same red dirt come you and me. Every heartbeat part of the litany. Walk good, walk true, walk free. Man build tower but them can't build soul. All them gold chains still can't buy roll. When the ground shake, I get still roll. Only pure heart get remote control. Enough man hype on the concrete fame. Forget say who must a human and here same. Dust to dust, remember where you come from. If you cut off the root where your life and stand on the green earth testimony. Jah write him word in a leaf and tree. Bend your knee, reason with the breeze. Stand up strong, say the roots to we. Yeah. Green earth testimony. From the same red dirt come you and me. Every heartbeat part of the litany. Walk good, walk true, walk free. Ocean near the hills when them sigh. Every tree stretch onto the sky. Them a pray to, nobody deny. Creation acquire, man dry your eye. From the